Everyone, so here I have a Lath and Plaster ceiling which I'm taking down. What I found is the best way to avoid suffocating whilst taking these ceilings down is actually to knock yourself a hole through an initial part of the ceiling and then grab a ladder and poke your head above the beams, and then from the top down knock the laths down. So you can either use a hammer like I've been using, or you can use a crowbar, but you get a much cleaner finish, and also you avoid that dust entering your body. I saw this video which another chap put online, and in his video he actually poked his head above the beams, and then he sprayed down over the laths using just plain water. I unfortunately don't have a spray bottle to hand, so I'm not able to do that. But if I did have that to hand, I would have just poked my head up through there, sprayed all over the top, and then just hammered away along the edges. And what you will find is, rather than trying to hammer right in the middle and it not going anywhere and dust jumping up and down, you're better off just applying some force along the edges, which makes the task much easier. I've just taken a break and I'm just taking these nails out, which should keep me occupied for some time. Okay, hope that helps.